Hello children, good afternoon. It's me Uma Devi from MSV Public School. I would like to share a few words with you about animals. Animals are the gift of nature to us and play a very important role in our life. They are our companions, our workers, caregivers, source of livelihood, source of food and many more. Animals are important to balance the ecosystem. So my dear children, don't tease, beat or pelt the stones at animals. Instead, try to feed them good food and try to give them water wherever possible. In this hot summer, you can give them water wherever possibilities are there. In a small bowls, glasses, tumblers, wherever it is possible, you can give water to birds and animals. Thank you.